child's pose, Balasana, turtle in its shell. Let's start by becoming a cozy little turtle. Sit on your knees, stretch your arms forward, and rest your head gently on the ground. Feel your back rounding like a turtle shell. I feel safe, calm, and protected in my little shell. Picture yourself under the ocean, surrounded by soft, wavy water. It's peaceful here, and you can take slow, deep breaths. You have 1 minute. Let's go. Cat-cow pose, stretchy cat and happy cow. Now, let's move into a stretchy cat pose. Get on your hands and knees, round your back up like a scaredy cat, then slowly lower your belly and lift your head to look up like a happy cow. I am strong and flexible. My body feels good when I move. As a cat, you're waking up in the morning. Stretch your back as far as you can. Then, as a cow, imagine a warm sunny day in a green field. You have 1 minute. Let's go. Downward dog pose, playful puppy. Let's turn into playful puppies. Keep your hands and feet on the ground, lift your hips up high, and make your body look like an upside down V. I feel energized and playful like a happy puppy. You're in a big garden, wagging your tail and sniffing flowers. Can you stretch your paws forward and take a big breath in? Now, let it out like a happy sigh. You have 1 minute. Let's go. Tree pose, strong and tall tree. Now stand up tall and strong like a tree. Lift one foot and press it gently against your other leg, just below your knee. Raise your arms up like big tree branches reaching the sky. I am strong, balanced, and grounded like a tree. Feel your roots growing deep into the ground and your branches reaching for the sunlight. Birds are gently resting on your branches. You are calm and steady. You have 1 minute. Let's go. Cobra Pose, gentle snake. Lay on your tummy and place your hands under your shoulders. Slowly lift your chest like a gentle snake waking up from the sun. I feel calm and strong as I rise up. Imagine you're a snake basking on a warm rock, feeling the sunlight on your scales. You stretch your head up to see the beautiful blue sky. You have 1 minute. Let's go. Butterfly pose, fluttering butterfly. Sit down with your feet together and your knees bent. Let your knees gently move up and down like butterfly wings. I am free and light like a butterfly. You're a colourful butterfly fluttering through a meadow of flowers. Feel the breeze on your wings and enjoy the sweet smell of flowers around you. You have 1 minute. Let's go. Star pose, bright shining star. Stand up and spread your feet wide. Stretch your arms out to the sides and make your body into a big star. I shine brightly, just like the stars in the sky. Imagine you are a twinkling star in the night sky, lighting up the world below. Your light brings joy to everyone who sees it. You have 1 minute. let's go. Happy baby pose, giggly baby. Lay on your back and hug your knees. Grab your feet with your hands and gently rock side to side like a giggling baby. I feel happy and free, just like a little baby. You're a baby rocking on a soft fluffy cloud. You feel safe, loved and full of laughter. You have 1 minute, let's go. Warrior pose, brave warrior. Now, step 1 foot forward and bend your front knee. Stretch your arms out wide, one in front of you and one behind. Stand tall and proud like a brave warrior. I am brave, strong, and ready for anything. Imagine you are a brave warrior standing on a mountain, looking out at the beautiful land below. You feel powerful and confident. You have 1 minute. Let's go. Savasana, resting pose, floating cloud. Finally, lie down on your back with your arms by your sides. Close your eyes and feel your whole body relax. I am peaceful, calm, and full of joy. Imagine you are a soft cloud floating in the sky. The wind gently carries you over green fields and blue oceans. You feel light, safe, and free. You have 1 minute, let's go.